My name is Keller Flint, and I'm a student in Green River's software development program. Today, I'm going to be talking about some of the exciting projects and student work going on in the software development bachelor's program. What sets our program apart from the standard computer science curriculum found at most other schools is our program's focus on applied knowledge over just learning theory. From day one in the program, we hit the ground running building real projects for real clients. This quarter, teams in my cohort are working on a number of projects for a variety of clients. These projects include Earthquake Simulator, a web application to model the damage caused by earthquakes in a region, Here and Now, a website for people with paralysis to find support and resources, and my team's project for university tutors, who need an application for managing the onboarding and placement data of their tutors. The department also has student-led clubs such as Boardmasters, where students work together to solve and present their solutions to coding problems commonly seen in interviews. Sometimes, the club even has guest speakers from companies such as Amazon and Microsoft come in and talk about their experiences in software development and give the club members feedback on their technical solutions. Some students also work for the department through work study and get the chance to write code to maintain and develop department tools. My guest on the podcast today is Oleg, one of the student workers behind developing our department's web applications. Thanks for being on the podcast, Oleg.
No problem. Thank you for having me here.
So, big picture, what is it that you do for the department?
So we are working on the website called Schedule It. It's a website for tech students to view their classes, and it's also connected to IT Connect. And that's a different website that we were working on, but we let the 355 class actually work on it a little bit this year. The main goal with this website is to refine it and make it more workable and more readable in the back end, and update it as the world keeps getting updated.
So specifically the feature you're working on right now is the scheduling for classes?
Yeah, so the feature I'm working on right now is a schedule viewer. So it just gets the classes for IT, and it shows and displays which ones are currently used. For example, which class is in what room and what one is for this quarter.
What useful skills, if any, have you learned from working at GRC?
Well, the most useful skill, honestly, was reading other people's code. Because I know in the real world, you're going to be doing that a lot. And this was a good head start because, man, our project is pretty messy. So it took us over, I don't know, maybe a good month trying to understand where everything is, and then a good 2 weeks to understand how they wrote the database.
So there you go. Real life skills, GRC, work study. Thank you for doing this.
Yeah, no problem, man.
I hope that gave you a taste of what our program is like. Thank you for listening, and if you would like to learn more about the program, you can find information at www.itconnect.greenrivertech.net.